duodenal ulcers, have responded almost miraculously to the drinking of cabbage juice. The only drawback is the frequent generation of excessive gas. In any case, plain carrot juice has been used with equal success, and most people find it more palatable. Cabbage juice has wonderful cleansing and reducing properties. Sometimes it has a tendency to cause distress, because of gas forming in the intestines after drinking it. Such gas is the result of waste putrefactive matter present in the intestines, being broken up by the cabbage juice, which causes a chemical reaction to set in and may form gas. This is a natural condition, sulfuretted hydrogen, a foul-smelling gas, being the outcome of the cleansing elements in the juice, acting on and dissolving the waste matter. Enemas and colonic irrigations help to remove both this excessive gas, and the waste matter causing it. The most valuable properties in cabbage are the high sulfur and chlorine content, and the relatively large percentage of iodine. The combination of the sulfur and chlorine causes a cleansing of the mucous membrane of the stomach and intestinal tract, but this only applies when cabbage juice is taken in its raw state, without the addition of salt. When excessive gas or other distress is experienced after drinking raw cabbage juice, either straight or in combination with other raw vegetable juices, it may be an indication of an abnormal toxic condition within the intestinal tract. In such case, it has been found advisable, before much of the juice is used, to cleanse the intestines thoroughly by drinking carrot and spinach juice daily for 2 or 3 weeks, and taking enemas daily. It was found that once the intestines were able to assimilate cabbage juice, it was invaluable as a cleanser, particularly in the case of excessive adipose weight. When raw cabbage juice is added to raw carrot juice, it forms an excellent source of vitamin C as a cleansing medium, aiding particularly where infection of the gums is present, resulting in pyorrhea. When boiled or dehydrated with excessive heat, however, the effectiveness of the enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and salts is destroyed. 120 pounds of cooked or canned cabbage could not furnish the same vital organic food value that is assimilated from drinking 1/2 pint of straight raw cabbage juice, when properly prepared. Cabbage juice has been used very effectively to help the relief of ulcers and constipation. As constipation is usually the primary cause of skin eruptions, these have also been cleared up with the judicious use of this juice. The addition of salt to cabbage or its juice not only destroys its value, but is also harmful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Watch more interesting videos on our channel, Life Elixir.